Good day, Philippines. This is Mike Padua once again, and we are back to our tropical weather analysis for this Monday to Wednesday, February 8 to 10, 2021, and this is brought to you by Typhoon 2000. Let's begin with our update. Here's the latest of our GraphSat. Beginning today, Monday, until tomorrow, Tuesday, we have a very weak, shallow, low-pressure area off the coast of Davao Oriental. So, this LPA, together with its trough, will bring scattered to widespread moderate to heavy rainfall across portions of Mindanao, Visayas, including the Bicol Region, and soon across MiMaRoPa and Sulu Archipelago. So watch out for some possible flash floods or flooding in low-lying areas when strong thunderstorms passes over your area. Together with the trough, we have here the northeasterly surface wind flow, and it is affecting the same areas of the trough, the Visayas, Sulu, and MiMaRoPa, including Bicol Region. And the northern extent of the northeasterly will also affect eastern sections of central Luzon, and also here across the Kalayaan Island Group and Panatag Shoal, while the strong northeast monsoon or the surge of northeast monsoon will continue to affect Batanes and Babuyan Cubab Islands, as well as the extreme northern parts of Luzon. That includes the northern Ilocos Norte area and Cagayan Valley. So expect also some rains and possible thunderstorms across these areas, so please take all necessary precautions. This shallow LPA will traverse Mindanao within the next 24 hours and dissipate, and it will be just a surface trough for the next 24 hours across the Visayas, Sulu Archipelago, and Palawan. So far, that's the latest from our GraphSat. Outside of PAR, we don't have any low pressure area or another LPA. It's all clear as of this time of the year. As we set into the middle of February, most of the tropical cyclones at this time are forming to the south of the equator over the southern hemisphere across the South Indian Ocean, South Pacific Ocean, and the Australian Sea. So far, we are still having a break, but when we reach March, April, or May, we could have some tropical cyclone formation, at least one every month. And as we reach May, June, July, the occurrence of tropical cyclone will eventually increase. So right now, we still, our climate are still under the influence of the prevailing La Nina phenomenon, which will persist until May. So it will coincide with the onset of the rainy season. So our hot dry season, which will begin on March until May, is somewhat a little bit drier, but still there will be more rainfall above average, okay, due to the prevailing La Nina. So that's the latest. And as we look at our fast animation, you can clearly see here the cloudiness of the trough brought about by the shallow LPA of Mindanao. And as we look at our zoom in satellite animation from windy.com, you can clearly see here some scattered to widespread rainfall pouring across Visayas and portions of northern and eastern Mindanao, including Davao Region, and also over the southern portions of the Bicol Region, that includes Albay and Sursugon and Catanduanes, and later on across the areas of Camarines provinces, as well as portions of MiMaRoPa. Right now, we are experiencing some rainfall already, the areas of Palawan, due to the northeasterly surface wind flow. So that's the latest from our satellite animation. Here's the infrared. Those dark red are strong thunderstorms. Right now, we could see some cluster of small thunderstorms distributed across the Visayas and southern Bicol, as well as a large area of eastern and central Mindanao. Now here's the latest rainfall forecast accumulation from European model, courtesy of windy.com, for the next 3 days, beginning today, Monday, until Wednesday. You can see here almost more than half of the Philippine Islands will be experiencing some rainfall, particularly across central, western, and eastern Visayas, eastern and northern Mindanao, portions of the Bicol Region, and eastern Luzon. So that's brought about by the combination of the northeast monsoon, northeasterlies, and the shallow or weak LPA with its trough, which bring lots of rainfall across these areas. And as we look at our 3-day wind forecast beginning Monday until Wednesday, so right now we have northeasterly surface wind flow across most parts of the Visayas, eastern Luzon, Bicol Region. And here's the weak LPA or shallow one. By tomorrow afternoon, the weak LPA will be just a surface trough affecting Visayas, Mindanao, and portions of MiMaRoPa, and we could see here the convergence of the northeast monsoon and the northeasterlies plus the easterlies, bringing some windy conditions across the Bicol region, and it will also include Calabarzon and Metro Manila, as well as Romblon, Marinduque, eastern Oriental Mindoro, and also over the areas of northern Sulu. That includes Amanpulu, Pamalican Island, and also smaller islands of Romblon. That includes also Boracay, so expect some stronger winds tomorrow. But on Wednesday, it will weaken and just calm conditions will be expected across most parts of MiMaRoPa, Visayas, and Mindanao, while gentle easterlies will return, warm easterlies from the Philippine Sea, affecting eastern Visayas, Bicol Region, Metro Manila, Calabarzon, and eastern Luzon, while stronger easterlies will be expected across Batanes and Mabuhay Cubao Islands. So there you go, that's the latest, nothing to worry about. There's no typhoon or tropical cyclone, tropical depression, just a very weak LPA. We don't need to mention the winds or the location since it's scattered. The circulation is scattered and it's not fully organized, and the winds is just around 15 to 25 kph, nothing to worry about. So we will be returning again on Wednesday to give you more update from Typhoon 2000. This is Mike Padua reporting. Stay safe always. Be #WeatherWiser, #TyphoonWiser. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for the latest updates on the weather here in the Philippine Islands. Thank you and have a great and safe day.